Tragedy struck Ukraine's southern port city of Odessa as a Russian drone crashed into an apartment block, claiming the lives of 2 individuals, injuring 8 and leaving 6 others unaccounted for. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky condemned the incident, stating, "Russia continues to target civilians. An enemy drone struck a residential building in Odessa, resulting in the destruction of 18 apartments." Zelensky shared a video depicting the harrowing aftermath, showing a substantial portion of the building torn apart across multiple floors as rescue teams tirelessly worked to navigate through the debris in search of survivors. As per Zelensky's statement, the drone responsible for the devastating attack was identified as a Shahed, a sizable winged kamikaze drone provided by Iran. Throughout the course of the conflict, Russia has deployed numerous Shahed drones, launching them at targets deep within Ukraine. Odessa's regional governor, Oleg Kuiper, provided an update at 8:30 a.m. local time, stating that efforts were underway to clear the rubble. Miraculously, 1 individual was rescued alive from the wreckage, likely sheltering in the basement at the moment of impact. In Kharkiv, city authorities reported a separate drone attack that resulted in the destruction of several vehicles and residential buildings. Fortunately, no casualties were reported from this incident. These tragic events unfolded amidst ongoing air raid alerts across eastern Ukraine, with the country's air force detecting multiple groups of Iranian-made Shahed unmanned aerial vehicles in the area. The fresh attack comes a week after drones attacked Ukraine's Black Sea port of Odessa, hitting a residential building, killing 1 person and injuring 3 others. Pictures posted online showed flames reaching skyward from a building and rescue teams picking their way through rubble. In an attack on the Donetsk region near the front, 1 civilian was killed in the town of Mirnorad, and 21 houses, a school and a multi-story residential building were damaged. Oleksiy Kuleba, deputy head of President Volodymyr Zelensky's office, had said. As the war enters its 3rd year, Russia has intensified bombardments of Ukrainian ports, including Odessa, and grain infrastructure in recent months after Moscow pulled out of the Black Sea Grain Initiative, a deal that enabled Ukraine's exports to reach many countries facing the threat of hunger.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.